In this video, my brother's in town and we go exploring along the Oregon coast in our 4x4 trucks. We look for a place to camp, ultimately find a good one, and then realize we wanted to go back to the original beach spot, and we're treated to a cold and windy night, but lots of stars overhead, a warm campfire, and a pretty epic sunset with clouds blowing in. So hope you enjoy this one, and yeah, thanks for watching. Me and my brother over there. What the view! Alright, Tom's looking for the perfect into the wind parking spot.
It tells me my level too. It's 000 right now. Yeah.
Alright, that was just practicing, just messing around. Let's see you. Oh, hold on. Did you all see that? Look at that. What are you doing?
I'm trying to go that way.
Why? Just come up this way.
This way?
Isn't this the way you came down?
Well, yeah, but like down's easy, up's difficult.
Is that where you're camping? Why don't you swim back? Have you caught dinner yet?
No. I have not.
Well,
Get on it. Man,
is that your bobber? You look like a giant, like, orange creamsicle.
Parking cone?
Yeah. Where are this from?
I got him yesterday, but they said that I have a truck. They all just fell apart.
See that cast of yours in action. It works. All right, we're making it out to the beach. We're feeling good. The rigs are going good. Got camp supplies, so we're just kind of racing the sun right now. My rig is rattling apart. Four-wheel drive works. All is good. Pop it. This is gonna be camp. We're gonna start. What do they call that when the wagons? They circle the wagons. We're gonna circle the wagon. I'm gonna be camping out in here. Should be good. Let's go. Let's go join him. All right, we're both cold. We put some fire starter in there.
Hold on.
What?
We should make 2 piles.
Oh, who can cut their finger off first?
Come on, you bastard!
Okay.
Yeah, get a lighter.
I got this.
How does this work?
It's the wind.
You're like, oh, that's
Okay,
my
a fire
trick.
was started. We both lost.
Yeah, we both,
Both go back to bushcraft preschool.
Yeah.
All right, there we go. So that is why you bring a lighter in addition
That was so hard.
to your Pharaoh.
That was so hard.
We were throwing sparks, but it was the wind. The wind was dissipating the heat, I think. So anyway.
That was so hard.
All right, Tom crossed the creek. He thought the unthinkable. He did the undoable. And now he's trying to get this fire going. I think it's going. We're just gonna gather more wood. It's absolutely beautiful out here. We got his rig, we got my rig. Wind is kind of nuking from the north, but we'll be all right. We're kind of tucked away here. Wow. Beautiful. This is such a cool beach. The blaze is lit. Good morning. This new bed setup is wonderful. Finally have enough room to just like stretch out, and I feel like I'm in my normal bed at home. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful morning. I think I'm gonna wake up, find some coffee.
Looks very inviting.
This was great. 5 stars. I call this the Air TNT.
Top 10.
Like
0 stars.
Airbnb.
Air TNT.
Air Toyota Tacoma. Rooftop tents are
0 stars.
they're okay. Not in the wind though.
Not in the wind.
All right, we made it out. We decided to go back to that camp spot last night because we were sitting at the one by the lake where my brother was fishing, and we were just bored. We're like, we want to have a beach fire. That was overall, I think, a pretty fun mission, and I'm glad to have had my brother on the trip with me. Certain things like that I don't really do alone because the possibility of getting stuck. Some of those times, like driving like right next to the ocean, I was like, yeah, I can't get stuck here. So anyway, we're gonna go find coffee in Florence and then just get on the road home. So thanks for joining me. See you in the next one.